Poe and I have devised a mystery box for you, and we challenge you to take it while we watch you.
Easy.
Poe and Julie come from the pantry with a couple of mystery boxes.
Much appreciated.
I'm hoping that George and Gary are in for a bit of a challenge.
You have 30 minutes. Bring us something beautiful.
Yeah. Who's tasting?
Poe and I will be your judges today.
Gary and George, you may lift your lids now.
We've been doing a mystery box for months and months, and we keep thinking, well, what would the judges do if they were put under this pressure with limited amount of ingredients?
Okay, what you've got there is brains, apple, milk, parmesan cheese, spinach, bread, potato and bacon.
And under the bench you have the following pantry items: breadcrumbs.
Oh, you really have, haven't you?
Garlic, eggs, flour, butter and red wine vinegar.
I'm looking forward to this because they can get a bit of their own medicine back today, I think.
Where's the fresh herbs and
where's
all the
the
little
fresh
Gary
herbs,
George touches? Where are they?
Where's all that?
Well,
Where's all
we'd
the-
like to see you do a dish without it like we often do in the mystery box.
It's only fair that at least once we get to see them tackle a mystery box.
I need to dial my chefs, find out what we can do with all this stuff. Interesting, lamb brains.
You're going to use the brains?
Yeah, I'm going to use the brains. I know when I put them on the menu, they sell out.
well.
People love them. I think I'll be brave enough to go first.
Oh, you're going to go first, are you?
Yeah.
All right. That means I can copy you then.
Yeah.
Great. All right, I'll leave you to it.
Wish me luck.
George, your time starts now.
Chop, chop!
Let's go. Brains. Beautiful.
So, George,
Yes.
what are we cooking?
Chef, today I will be doing a little lamb brain cereal, OK? Little bit to make a little milk and parmesan foam. We've got some other little stuff going on there as well, but I'm really stressed and I really need to get back to it, so...
Hang on. What do you think might go wrong today, George?
Absolutely nothing, because I'm the best. So I'm infusing my milk, bringing it up to the boil just gently. Parmesan, all the husks, the outside, it's all beautiful. Sea salt, that goes in. Now I'm going to make a little parmesan sort of crack that's going to sit over the top of the dish. I'm going to pop that on a tray and just cook that in the oven so it's nice and thin. I need to make some potato puree, but because it's a foam, I'm not going to bake the potatoes, I'm going to boil them. My lamb brains are looking great. You always got to start them from cold, and just as you see them starting to boil, they're cooked. All right, you boil them more than that, they're going to go tough. So my potatoes, cold water, of course. We'll pop that here. Bit of salt, of course. Seasoning's important. Now, bacon. I'm only going to use this bit. I'm going to do a little crumble to go with it, just for a bit of texture. All that there, pop that in there just to get some flavour into those lamb brains. All right, and lamb brains are beautiful. Right, next, I'm just going to do a little brunoise of the bacon. It's a little dice, basically. That's ready to go, mise en place. Brains come up to the boil, onto a tray. Yeah, fridge, cool down. I am making a panade. Okay, so breadcrumbs, love the crummies.
He wants to use the crummies. What do you think about that?
I don't know, I mean, he's got a fresh loaf of bread there.
Make
Think
it
that
from
he would
scratch.
use that,
Yeah.
But just to add a little layer, I'm going to season them, which is probably a good thing to do. All right. And I'll be crumbing the lamb's brains.
George, you're at halfway mark. You've got 15 minutes left.
No. Right, flour. I'll put some just to feel like Julie does. All right. Feels really good. Yeah, Jules? Right. My mushrooms are going into the frying pan to sauté off. A little bit of salt, OK? And we'll just pop the bacon in as well. It's all going to get done in the same pan, so lots of flavour. Slithers of garlic, just 2 pieces, just in half. All we want is flavour from them, nothing else. Right, next job, lamb brains. Out of the freezer, they're cooled off. Toss them in the flour. Then into the egg. Got these lovely little sort of nuggets of lamb, and they bring back a lot of memories for me because my mum fed these to us Me, my brother and my sister for, you know, many years, and was telling us they were chicken nuggets until my brother worked it out. We were so disappointed, you know, because we thought we were like all the other Aussie kids out there having chicken nuggets, you know. How cool's that? And do a little, just some battens of apple, and I love the green on the apple. I need to extract a little bit of colour on the plate, and you can do that by just doing these little battens here. A little bit of sea salt, that's ready to go for plating up. I'm popping the lamb brains in. We're going to get them fried up really quickly. Okay, boom, boom, shake the room on that one. Right, so they're done, 30 seconds. You know, I want these nice and milky inside. I don't want them dry, right? And it's fried food. As soon as it comes out of the fryer, a little bit of sea salt, and that's ready to be plated up. And then next step is to make a little foam, okay? These potatoes should be cooked. I hope they're cooked. Please be cooked. So potatoes go into the blender. Milk goes in, okay? Remember, this is for my foam. So this is the milk element to the cereal.
You making foams again, are you?
Yeah, I need that. Gary, do you like that?
I do.
So basically this goes in. There's a few lumpy bits in there that shouldn't be in there, but anyway.
They're going to go
the
through.
best. Carbon dioxide bulbs basically getting plunged into there. So we're aerating the mixture, all right? So I'm adding lots of gas to it. So the second bulb, good shake. Oh, this one's empty.
There's one more under there.
You've got 5 minutes, George. If you're not starting to plate up, you should be thinking about it very soon.
Shit, what's that?
Oh, no. Look at that, golden brown. So, foam's ready to go. I'm going to start to dress now. First step, our mushroom that's been sautéed off. We'll just use that as a base, okay? Then, our beautiful little soft, crispy on the outside, lamb brains. How long have I got, Jules?
Oh, you've got about a minute, George.
Oh, shit. Right, our battens of apple, just free-formed. So our Parmesan-infused milk. This is the base to the cereal. That just sits over the top. And there you have it. That's my lamb brain cereal. I forgot the bacon crumble.
Hang on, step away.
No, time wasn't up yet. Right.
Oh, that looks beautiful.
It is, isn't it?
So for my mystery box, there I've done a little lamb brain cereal.
George, please bring your plate to the table.
This is my cereal of lamb brains. With bacon crumble and Parmesan foam.
Cereal of lamb's brain. Is that something you'd like to read on a menu?
Yes.
Let's see how you went.
Oh my God, it's really good.
And a bit of apple just to refresh.
Must admit, George, I was a bit nervous about eating brain. But it's absolutely beautiful. Foam's beautifully rich and light. Saltiness of the crumbing on the brain, perfectly seasoned. And a bit of acidity with the apple to cut through all the richness. The crumble on top and the Parmesan just finishes it off beautifully. Well done.
First, I'd say it's very visually appealing. Almost had a disaster with your Parmesan crisp.
I did. I was so lucky.
Shit, what's that?
Oh, no.
Look at that, golden brown.
Let's taste.
Do you need a cravat?
No, beautiful, soft brains, and the foam's actually really light and really nice. You know, I like to see the theatre of it perhaps being done here at the table. Love a bit of theatre at the table. But those flavours go really well together. I think you pushed yourself in the 30 minutes. Well done.